For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything is major. Everything's major. Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making some delicious seafood nachos with this perfect white cheese sauce. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. First, let's prepare our cheese for this yummy cheese sauce. I'm using 16 ounces of white American cheese and 8 ounces of Monterrey Jack cheese. Now for our roux, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to your saucepan. And then add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now we're going to slowly pour in our milk. I use about 2 to 3 cups of milk. All depends on the consistency you want. I just kept adding a little bit at a time until I reach my desired preference. Now add in your diced jalapeno peppers. Now see, this is the consistency I like for my cheese. Now grab your tortillas and cut them into triangular shape. I have about a pound or 2 of clean and deveined shrimp. We're going to season our shrimp with sea salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. Now I'm cutting my shrimp into bite-sized pieces. This part is optional. You do how you want. Add in some olive oil and some butter into your skillet. Now we're going to cook our shrimp for a couple of minutes. Add in some lump crab meat and mix all together with your shrimp. Now it's time to fry our shrimps. We're going to try to be healthy and use some Expeller Pressed Canola Oil. This oil is supposed to be healthier for you since we're frying and everything. Now we're going to fry our chips until golden brown. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. Don't forget to salt your chips while it's hot. And make sure to keep your cheese sauce warm on very low, making sure not to burn it. Please don't burn it. Add your meat on top of the chips. Ooh, that looks so good. Then top with a hefty, and I mean hefty scoop of cheese sauce. So for my toppings, I add a little bit of jalapeno peppers and some red onion. I also sprinkle a little bit of Old Bay seasoning on top and some parsley. Now, don't that look perfect? It's chow time. I enjoyed having you with me today. I'm ready to eat because the cheese is cheesing. So let's eat. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.